Mommy and Piper, Mommy and Piper, cooking videos. Broccoli salad, that's what we're making today. Do you like broccoli?
No.
Why not?
Good.
Do you think you'll eat this salad with me?
No.
Alright, let's tell them what all we're going to use. What's this?
Broccoli.
Okay, so you're going to need about 2 heads of broccoli. This is a little bit more than 2 heads of broccoli, but I just found it in the freezer section. We're going to go ahead and get this opened. Let's see here. So Piper doesn't like broccoli, so I don't think she's going to eat this with me. But I love to make this, and it keeps pretty well, and the seasons, as they kind of marry in the refrigerator, they stay really well for lunches and stuff.
Lunches?
Yeah, so we're going to use about half of this bag or so. This is quite a big bag. We're also going to be, so we're going to put all of the broccoli. This is still kind of frozen, but that's okay because it's going to be sitting all night.
This is the cheese.
Yes. So that's our cheese. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix all of our...
And I like cheese.
And she does like cheese. So we're going to put some sour cream in here. This is a cup of sour cream. Can you put that sour cream in there for me?
I like it.
No, you don't want to lick it. Piper, no. Here. Can you dump it in there? Okay. I'm going to dump it in there for you then.
I like it.
So we got a cup of sour cream.
Can I lick it? Please.
No, don't lick it. Alright, we need a... What did I just say? No one else eating this but us. We need a cup of mayonnaise. Do you want to pour it in or do you want me to?
I don't do.
Okay.
I like mayonnaise.
You do like mayonnaise? I don't know if that's true.
I don't like mayonnaise.
I'm not sure if that is a true story for you.
What do you like mayonnaise?
Okay. Then we're also going to be getting... We're going to try not to drop stuff off of here. Did you just try that?
Yeah.
Okay, we're also going to be using a 1/4 cup of some sweetener. I use Splenda. We're going to add a dash of some, watch this, is going to have a cool reaction. Add a dash of some apple cider vinegar.
Yeah.
Oop, that's more than a dash, but that's okay.
Yeah.
And then we're going to stir this all together. Yeah, was that gross? We're just going to get this all kind of mixed up together. You stir that, and I'm going to throw in some bacon.
Bacon.
Yeah.
I like bacon.
So we got some bacon going in there. Oops, try to keep it in the bowl. There we go.
I want the bacon.
Okay, so it's basically, that is our dressing, you could kind of say. Okay? Okay, so now we've got that mixed together. So we've had a cup of sour cream, a cup of mayonnaise, a splash of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of a sweetener, and I put in some bacon. And what we're going to do is we're going to pour this over our broccoli. Can you pour that into the broccoli?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Oh.
Whoa, watch out. All right, you got it?
Yeah.
Can you pour it? Good job. I'll help get it out a little bit. Okay. We want to get all of it at the bottom here.
I don't want to pour it.
But the reason you don't want to just dump everything onto the broccoli without mixing it up is it won't really coat the broccoli as well. Yes. And now her favorite, the cheese. The cheese portion of the meal. Okay?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. All right, hold on. Let me get the cup container. What we're going to do is we're going to put in a cup of some cheese.
No, a cheese. I like cheese. Them in my hand. And
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah. I did.
Oh, I hope you did.
Oh.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put a cup of cheese in here because I'm out of my other cups. This is just shredded cheese. You can use, I use sharp cheddar. Can you dump that in there for me?
No.
Careful. Perfect. Good job. Okay. And of course she's going to eat the cheese. If you've seen our other videos, you know that she loves to eat the cheese. And I'm going to get a slightly bigger spoon here to mix this up with. And that's all we do. And we're just going to put this all together. And, you know, if you wanted to add a little bit of salt or pepper, you could do that. I think it tastes fine the way it is, so I don't really add anything else besides what we got here. And so that's it. It's a low-carb, keto-friendly. Again, I know some people are like hardcore keto, and they would be really mad if they heard me say I use Splenda with keto. I don't care. Whatever. That's what I use. That's what we use in our house. So use whatever you want. I mean, some people are like, this isn't appropriate apple cider vinegar. They want to use that Mom's Earth or whatever it's called. I don't know. But anyways, Piper, please stop eating the cheese. Okay, so this is a short video. This is just an easy one. Come say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
Come say goodbye to everybody.
Okay. Bye.
All right. Do you want to try some?
No. No, no, no. No!
Okay, guys, if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you on our next video.